Good morning, sir. Today I am going to present my Arduino project for IIT Workshop 1 evaluation. So this is my project. It is a distance sensor uh, which which shows the different LED colors for different ranges. Like if the object is greater is far than 150 centimeters, then the LED will turn green. And if it is in between 60 centimeters to 150 centimeters, the LED will turn yellow. And when it is lower than that, the LED will glow red, and the buzzer will also start. So let's see the connections first and also the components. So we have used Arduino microcontroller, a breadboard, ultrasonic distance sensor, a buzzer, and a RGB LED, a resistance. We have used RGB LED so that we don't have to connect different LEDs to get different colors. This can provide different colors in the single LED only. And we have also used some wires. So let's take a look at the connections. We have connected 5-volt VCC to the breadboard's lower line, and you can see it is the whole line is now at 5 volts, and the ground to the upper line, so the whole line is now at ground. And similarly, we have connected the same connection in the upper part of breadboard and given the respective VCC and ground to the components. Like here you can see the ultrasonic sensor is connected to the VCC and to the ground, and same with the buzzer. We have connected it to the ground and the other terminal to the 7 number pin, and also the ultrasonic distance sensors trigger and echo pin to the 6 and 5 respectively. And we have also connected the RGB LEDs ground and the other terminals to 11, 10 and 9 respectively. We have used resistors so that the component is not damaged if excess current flows through it. So let's start the simulation. As we can see, the particle is now very far away, so the LED is showing green color. And as I am reducing the distance, it will turn yellow when the distance is less than 150. See, the LED is turned to yellow color, and we are reducing it further. When it will go below 60, the LED will turn red and the buzzer will also start. As you can see, the buzzer has started and the LED has turned red. So now let's look also at the code for this project. Here is the code. We have used the input box, the printing box, and the if conditions to set when the which LED will turn to which color, and also when the condition at which the buzzer will start. So in starting, we are setting the input to read ultrasonic distance sensor, and we have provided the exact pin numbers. Like trigger pin is at 6, echo pin is 5, and units we have choose centimeters. Now we are printing the distance which ultrasonic distance sensor is sensing on the serial monitor, like you can see here. And then we are using the if conditions to control the LED pins. So when the input is greater than 150, we are setting the RGB LED pin to color green and the 7, which is the buzzer pin, to low. Next, we are setting if the distance is less than 150 but greater than 60, then we are turning the LED to yellow, and this time also the buzzer is set to low only. But when the input is greater than 60, we are setting the 7 pin to high and the RGB LED to red color so that the buzzer goes off. So this is the code. Let's run it again once to see the serial monitor also. Here you can see how the serial monitor's reading is changing. When we drag the cursor, it is showing 245 right now. This is how the project works. So from this course, I have learned how useful the Arduino microcontroller is and how the basic different components can be used to create various projects. And that's it. Thank you.